So Capital One just put the entire auto industry on notice. Consumers are racing to buy cars before tariff-driven price hikes, and lenders are tightening approval standards. And that means if you got good credit, chances are getting a loan is getting harder. What does this mean for your next car? Let's unpack it. Hey there, this is Dave from Everyman Driver. If you've seen headlines like Capital One sounds the alarm for car buyers, you're probably wondering what's really going on here. Today, we're going to dive deep on what lenders are seeing, how tariffs and credit behavior are shaking up the auto market, and what you can do to navigate it. On its latest earnings call, Capital One made it clear, although consumer spending seems steady, there's early evidence of people pulling forward auto purchases, buying sooner before tariffs hike prices. That's a red flag for lenders because it can create overextended financing risks in response. Capital One said it's getting stricter about who it lends to, and over half of recent auto loans went to top-tier borrowers with strong credit. Now, Capital One isn't the only one tightening up. Data shows major lenders like Wells Fargo and Ally are approving fewer auto loans this year, even as applications surge. In quarter one alone, Ally processed 3.8 million applications but approved fewer than in past quarters. Meanwhile, lenders are lowering exposure to high-risk trade-ins and older vehicles. The new reality? Even if you've got decent credit, lenders are more selective and cautious. So what's behind this shift? Lenders say rising tariffs and sluggish loan performance after pandemic-era lending have made them more wary. Higher car prices, average APR now around 7.2%, and longer loan terms up to 84 months mean that borrowers are more likely to owe more than the car is worth and may default. Capital One and others have increased loan loss reserves to protect themselves, and that means they're approving fewer risky deals. So here's what all this means if you're shopping. Number one, you might be denied or get a higher rate, especially if you're subprime, relying on trade-in equity or buying outside major metro areas. Number two, down payments matter more. Lenders are asking for higher equity or co-signers. Number three, buy before tariffs hit. That shorter window is real, but financing may still be tight. If your trade-in is older or mileage is high, expect tougher scrutiny. That's common for buyers trying to buy now before prices go up. If you're serious about buying, here's how to play this smart. Number one, focus on domestic-built used vehicles. They're less affected by tariffs, easier to finance. Avoid heavy used SUVs or trucks. They can be harder to finance and parts cost more. Instead, consider high credit score friendly models like compact SUVs, the RAV4, CRV for example, or sedans that hold value. If you're looking EV, Tesla Model 3 or Hyundai Ioniq 5 remain popular and more likely to pass lender scrutiny. And if credit is tight, work with local credit unions or prep a cosigner before heading to the dealership. The key here, plan before you arrive at the lot. Here are the steps you should take. Get pre-qualified online using soft credit checks, know your rate, your APR, and your range. Line up a cosigner or credit union option, especially if your credit is mid-tier. Don't rely on dealer financing alone. They often pad their rates. Watch your trade-in values if it's older. It might hurt your equity more than help. Use a price transparency tool like quotes.everymandriver.com to know what a fair price is before financing. These steps will shield you from being caught off guard by lender hurdles. I guess in short, Capital One's warning isn't hype. It's a real signal that the auto loan environment is changing fast, but you don't need to hit the panic button just yet. You just need to be a little bit smarter. So head over to quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video where you can see actual dealer invoice pricing so you can shop on facts, not guesswork. It's free, fast, and used by thousands every day to get the best deals. It's all based on your zip code. By the way, if this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Are you facing financing issues or price hikes? I'll see you in the next one. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video.